Hello everyone. Take a red color thread, tie them together and then fold it like this from the between. Put it like this after folding it from the sides. Now put it in the between by making a round shape. Fix it like this after folding it and pull it out from the between. Now follow the same step for the other side. Roll it like this and then fold it and pull it in the between like this. Pull it out and fold it one by one. Make these shapes like a bow and then fix it by folding it on the sides. Now pull it out from the back side and then fold it and fix it on the back. And it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, moving on to another technique, we'll be taking the thread, fold it like this, fold it and then put it in the between. Fold it from the back side, tie it like this and put the thread on the sides. Fold them and again rotate it and put it in the between like this from the back side. Tie it on the top. So repeat the process again and again for few more times. Make these zigzag steps like this. Fold it and fix it on the top like this. Keep rolling it and put it on the downside. Put the thread on the back and then pull it out like this. Fix it and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the threads and then roll it like this along with the fingers. So now put the thread in the between like this and pull it out. Fix it from the between like this and then stretch it. Put it like this and make a butterfly like shape. Now spread the threads on the sides and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the threads like this. Now fold it and then after folding it, we'll be taking the threads after rolling it, put it in the between. Now after putting it like this, pull it out from the other side. Now fold it again and then again roll it and put it in the between. Fix it like this and it's done. Next, take a yellow color thread, roll it like this, fold it for a few more times and put it in the between. Fix it like this and pull it out from the upside. Stretch it and again put it like this. Fix it from the downside and pull it like this and it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, take the pink color threads, roll it like this for a few more times. Now fix it in the between by putting the threads like this. Roll it from the other side as well in the same manner. Now put the threads in the between like this. Fold it from this side and put it on the another side like this. Now after putting it, stretch it like this. Now put it in the between and fold it again from the front side and then put it on the back side like this. Pull it out and then we will fix it on the back by pinching it or just put the threads like this and it's done. Next, take the thread and then you have to tie them like this. So first fold it and then roll it along with the threads in the between. Roll it for a few more times like this. Keep rolling it and then put it in the sides or the between like this. Put it on the side and then stretch it out from the sides. Follow the same step and then pull it like this and it's done. Next, moving on to another technique, take the threads, make a roll like this after folding it, tie it and then fix them into each other as shown here. Now after that, tie them like this, spread it and then stretch it and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.